on YouTube at the moment, so let's go. I'm going to show you how to start the 50cc Suzuki quad bike pump start. So this is how you do it. What you want to do is, you want to make sure that this is plugged in, your safety catch, so it starts. And you're also going to want to pull the brake in and push this button in at the same time. So if you'd like to demonstrate that, please, Owen. So pull it in and push. You also want to make sure that your stop button is out, not in. Therefore it will not start. And you want to have your throttle. You want to hold a bit of throttle on. And your choke, you want to push down, which will help it start. And if it's warmed up, you can just keep it off, obviously. So, pull your choke down, and once all that's set, give it a little bit of throttle, and you want to pull the pull start. It's starting. Ours starts first time because it's warmed up. And that's how to start a 50cc Suzuki quad bike. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.